just completed a total of 8 wiring harnesses, and here we got laid down on the floor 4 of them. This one is for 1964 Sprint GT. This is for 1964 TZ1. This one here is for 2600 Sprint. And this one here is for 1958 Spider Veloce. Now we have here, ready packed and ready to go, a 1958 Spider Veloce. And below we have 1965 Spider Veloce and a 1963 Sprint. We continue with our work and getting set up for another wiring harness construction. And soon we're going to be working on the additional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 harnesses that need to go out. Everything that is scratched out is done and ready to ship, or it has been shipped.